Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Vist. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, link in the description.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Vist. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Enfield Meteor. Okay, nice name, Meteor, nice name, nice pronunciation, also very nice. Coming to the first headlights. See the DRLs, round finish of DRLs at the headlight. So it's visible from far, and from view it's not nice. It's a cutting on headlight, so it's a DRL cutting at the bottom, at the front, and front has a LED setup of headlight, very nice. And coming to the here, see the chrome treatment of finish of headlight. So overall, almost all the vehicles of Royal Enfield has done same treatment of headlight, so it's nothing much difference, and it's a new vehicle. This color is excellent looking, and blue color is very nice on this vehicle. Royal Enfield badge is very nice, refined and redesign of Royal Enfield badge. Again, from last many years we are seeing this changing the badge of Royal Enfield. So coming to the first, see the indicators at the side, nice treatment, smaller size, medium enough of indicators, and no LEDs of indicators in this bike also. So these are the telescopic shock absorbers, and very nice. So this is a reflected position, very nice design of reflector, also very concentrated on this bike. This is another version of Thunderbird. So it's the next level of Thunderbird, we can say next level of Thunderbird. So coming to the disc, so this is a massive enough of disc size and cross cuttings of disc size, and black and silver treatment of disc on disc, and Viber brake. The Seat tires, the profile of the tire is 19 inches at the front, and see the alloy wheels, very nice. Coming to the other side, so see the design of alloy wheels, dual tone chrome treatment of alloy wheels, very nice. And the flower design of alloy wheels is very nice. These spokes are very nice design of alloy, very nice treatment. The quality of alloy wheels is also very nice. And after seeing a long bag, here you can see the tubeless tires on this vehicle of Royal Enfield. So coming to the side, this is the side profile of Royal Enfield Meteor. So blue treatment, here you can see is a leg guard. So again in detail you can see the leg guard. On leg guard also it's written Royal Enfield badge logo. So this is the engine. So overall it's not dusty, sorry for that. And this is a matte black finish of engine treatment, and again here you can see the chrome lines on engine treatment. So nice treatment of engine, and it's a 350cc engine, as we know. So it's looked like harder rubber finish of grab finish of engine, very nice. And but by this it will be very dusty at soon. So here you can see it's a new bike, also it's dusty, and Royal Enfield badge here. So this is a chrome treatment on filter, very nice. Chrome finish on filter, and see the silencer, very nice, and same design as silencer. And coming to the rear, silencer design has changed at the very back. Again we are seeing this design, so very nice treatment. And see the design, round bold design of silencer, chrome finish of silencer, very nice. And plate on the silencer also very nice treatment. So this is a front foot pegs, and again here you can see the detail on Royal Enfield written on the foot pegs, and this is a rear brake, so nice position. It's a Thunderbird position also, we can say. And coming to here, Meteor 350 batch here, red finish of 350, very nice look. And this seat is a nice cushion, and backrest is also very nice. So front driving position and brown finish as seat cover is very nice. And see the stitches on the street cover. So white stitches on seat cover, and the backrest is also very nice at the long journeys. And this is a pillion seat, pillion position is also very nice, nothing much height, and the cushion is also very nice, some not so hard and soft. So coming to the rear, so here you can see the monopoly shock absorbers at the rear, and it's a 7-way adjustable shock absorbers. So this is the disc size, very nice. Again, small treatment of disc size and massive enough of this bike of 350cc engine, and same alloy wheels at the rear. And tire profile of the tire at the rear is, rear profile tire is 140/70 17 inches tire, and front as 18 and rear compared to 17 inches, 1 inch has decreased from front to rear, and the profile of the tire is very nice. Coming to the back, here you can see the indicator, same design as compared to front, and this is a number plate position, very lower side, and reflector also same massive bold design. And this is a tail light. Here you can see half ring, so in detail you can see same LED ring, so of tail light and red color finish. So first time LEDs are given in this tail light of Royal Enfield done. And see the pillion rest, Royal Enfield detail written, and nice treatment and nice quality silver finish. So this is a position of tail light. It is on the exactly on mudguard of rear, and this tail light has given, it is like extra part of the vehicle. So overall nice design, retro design. Coming to the here you can see the sadi guard position, very nice, and nice quality of sadi guard also. And this is chain drive, open chain drive, and cover of the chain drive is very nice. And brown finish of this color at seats, and this blue color treatment on the vehicle is very nice. Meteor 350 batch. Again, see the graphics done on detail. Here you can see very nice done. Here you can see the double stand, and here you can see the single stand position, very nice. And front as a foot pegs, again the gear lever. So overall nice, same treatment as. So this design has changed from that side to this side. It is looking like interceptor design of another side in the engine part, and color treatment is very nice done on overall the vehicle, I can say. So see the graphics detail, here you can see lines on graphics, very nice. And this is a new look of Royal Enfield batch at the petrol tank, very nice. So for after a long time changed this Royal Enfield. And here you can see the horn is decent, and indicators. So this is for high beam and low beam switch, and is also this is for pass light switch also given in the same. So nice treatment of done in this. So pass light given in the same high beam and low beam, so nice treatment. So coming to the other side handlebar, here you can see the engine kill switch is done, given in a new look design and a ball shape design on the handlebars. And here you can see the nice treatment and nice new look, and these are round chrome finish of side view mirrors, same finish as compared to older generations, also same treatment. And coming to here, this is a very interesting feature of instrument cluster. So full swipe of instrument cluster offer, and Royal Enfield bullet with helmet badge, Royal Enfield, and digital meter, very nice. After a long time we have seen the instrument cluster in full digital meter. And this is a RPM meter and speedometer has fixed in the same instrument cluster, same ball, and it's looking like sporty feeling as dual round sports feel. And here you can see the indicators, indicators are given here. And here you can see the petrol fuel indication, neutral indication position, and center you can see the small digital meter, and lot of information given in that, fuel capacity, gear indication, time, trip A, trip B, odometer, etc. is shown in this digital meter. And coming to the other side, so time is showing in the other small digital meter. Here you can see trip A, trip B, trip F, odometer, and lot of information. And this meter is only showing the time, and you can operate this instrument cluster from this button. So this button is for operate the instrument cluster. And overall nice fit and finish, and quality of the Royal Enfield has improved now, and nice treatment. Overall colors are nice offering, and let's see how the performance. And this is a walk around video of Royal Enfield Meteor. I am so much excited and very eagerly waiting for this vlog, because whenever the Royal Enfield has launched this bike, I am excited to vlog a Meteor 350 because a lot of information and news has come in the social media, and I'm so done today. So this is a walk around video of Royal Enfield Meteor 350. So let's go to test drive and see. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, see you in the next video.